talk you through lighting within Blender. I'm going to use the model from my previous video, which was of the tree, to demonstrate how lighting works. On the top right hand of my scene, I have got 4 different options here. These are all different viewport modes. In other words, they're different lighting modes. At the moment, I am in viewport solid, which is the viewport that I typically use when I'm creating my 3D models. When I want to add colour to my 3D models, I will use this one here, which is called Viewport Material Preview. I'll click on that, and at the moment, because we haven't started to add colour, it doesn't really mean too much to us, but we'll come back to that lighting mode. And then this one here at the end, Viewport Shading Rendered, this is going to be the most important one for me in this video, because this allows us to use lighting within our scene. Now, within my scene, I have actually already got a light. Every scene is populated with a light to begin with. If I look around my scene and I look for this little orb here, it might be black with like an orange center for you, and I click on it, I've selected my light, and I can begin to move it around my scene to see how an object is lit up from different perspectives. I can increase the power of the light, so if I go onto my data tab here and I increase the power, I can make it say 3000, press enter, and it will make that light much brighter. I can add additional lights to my scene as well. So to add a new light, I will just go to the add menu, and then I will look for lights, and there's a couple of different lights that I can add. I usually just use point lights, but if you are making a scene with lamps or something like that in it, street lamps, you might want to use spotlight, you might want to use the sun, it's up to you, but point lights are the main one that we'll use. So I'm going to add another point light to my scene here. It will spawn at the center there, and then I can move this to a different location. It's not very powerful at the moment, it's only on 10, so I'm going to make that 1000. And when I do that, we'll see that we'll start to illuminate another part of our object.